In this course, we will be using the module steel connection. We click on the connection icon, choose the language, measurement units and the design code. In this course, we will work with metric units and the EU design code. On the left side, there is an option to create a new project, open an existing one and save the current one. Next comes information about the software version, settings of measurement units, personal preferences regarding available languages, colors of the interface and the possibility of uploading your own logo. There is also a section for license management, exiting the current project and exiting the application. The creation of a new project is a very intuitive process. First, the type of connection is selected. Then its topology. And finally the design of the connection. The last step is assigning the name and the description of a project. We also need to choose steel grade, bolt assembly, concrete grade, and the design code. Our project is now created and we can start working.